Good morning, students. I am Paramjit Kaur. I welcome you all on Shri Siddhi Vinayak Educational Trust Educational Channel. Okay, today we will discuss what is the sentence and the types of the sentence. What is the sentence? Students, tell me what is the sentence and definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sentence. What is the sentence and the definition of sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sentence. Okay, group meaning a collection of words that makes a complete sentence or a complete thought is called a sentence. What is the word? Now here let's see what is the word. A word is a group of letters that makes a specific meaning. Okay? What is the word? A group of letters that makes a specific meaning. Okay? Example: A-P-P-L-E. These apple. These alphabets make a specific word that have a specific meaning. Okay, what is the specific meaning of apple? Apple is the name of a fruit. Got it? Is it a word, students? Do you know? Is it a word? Yes, it is a word. Okay, look here. Tell me, is it a word? No. Is it not a word? Because it has not a specific meaning. Got it? Here some other examples of word: cat, dog. These words has a specific meaning. Got it, students? What is the letter and what is the alphabet? There are 26 alphabets in English. Alphabets and letters are a same thing. Got it? 26 alphabets or letters in English. Got it, students? What is the example of sentence? My name is Pooja. And the second example, an apple is a name of fruit. Okay, these sentences has a complete sense or a complete thought, so it is a sentence. One thing is more about the sentence. Sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Got it, students? I hope you are getting me. The sentence, what is the sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sentence. And what is the word? Word is a group of letters that has a specific meaning. Got it, students? Now, how many types of sentence? How many types of sentence, students? Tell me. There are 4 types of sentence, students. How many types of sentence? There are 4 types of sentence. First one is declarative sentence. And second one is interrogative sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. And the third one is imperative sentence. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Okay, now we will discuss first type of sentence, declarative sentence. What is declarative sentence? What is the definition of declarative sentence? It is also called assertive sentence. Okay, it is also assertive sentence or a statement. Got it? What is the definition of declarative sentence? It declares a sentence. Okay, a sentence that declares or states something. Is called a declarative sentence. It declares something or states something. It may be negative or positive. The declaration will be negative or positive. Okay. It may be negative or positive. Got it? It is also ends with a full stop. What is the example of declarative sentence? We are going to market. Okay, it is a positive sentence or an affirmative sentence. The second example of declarative sentence. The sandwich is not tasty. Is not tasty. Negative. Got it? A declarative sentence is a sentence that declares something or states something. Okay? It may be a negative or positive. Got it? It is also ends with a full stop. Okay? The next second type of sentence is, what is the second type of sentence, students? The second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. In this sentence, a sentence that asks any question. A sentence that asks any question is called a interrogative. That asks any question is called interrogative sentence. Got it, students? It is also ends with it always ends with interrogative sign. Got it, students? Example of interrogatives. What is your name? In which class do you read? Where are you going? Will you going? Will you go to market? Okay. Will you go to market? A sentence that asks any question is called a interrogative sentence. What is your name? And will you go to market? It ends with a full stop. Got it, students? The third type of the sentence is imperative sentence. A sentence that gives command, an advice and a request is called imperative sentence. A expresses any command, request and an advice. Okay, students? What are the examples of imperative sentence? Come here. Command. Please give me a glass of water. A request. And the third example, of imperative sentence, always respect your parents. And advice. Okay, got it, students? What is the imperative sentence? It is used to express any command and to give the command and express any request and an advice. What is the examples of the imperative sentence? Come here, please give me a water, and always respect your parents. And the fourth one, the last and the fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. What is the exclamatory sentence? The definition of exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling. Let's see, students, what is the exclamatory sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling. When we are happy, we are surprised, and when we are angry, we use exclamatory sentence. Got it? I hope you are getting me. Exclamatory sentence. What are the examples of exclamatory sentences? What a beautiful day. Okay? When we are happy, we use what a beautiful day. Got it? Oh, what a huge fish. When we see a huge fish, we use exclamatory sentence. Got it? And alas, he was died. When we are in regret or in we have any sad feeling, okay, we have some strong feeling or and sad feeling, alas he was died, we use exclamatory sentence. I hope students you are getting me. And what is the sentence? You got it very well. What is the sentence and the types of the sentence. And I repeat all the lecture. The sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. And what is the word? Word is a group of alphabets that makes a specific meaning. How many types of the sentence? There are 4 types of the sentence. First type of the sentence is declarative sentence, and second type of the sentence is interrogative sentence, and the third type of the sentence is imperative sentence, and the fourth and the last type of the sentence is exclamatory sentence. I hope you students you got it very well. Thank you.